welcome back to Moonstone Crafts. Today I have for you a little post review. No extras this time. And it's of a, well, it's kind of extra because it's of a special shaped kit that I got of Fansells. This is the first one of them I completed. Of course I wanted to start with the horse. If you haven't seen that unboxing, I will put it up in the eye and also in the description. I had also a special shaped horse. I had a lot of special shaped diamond paintings, but I got the wrong drills with the horse, so I couldn't start that one first. And then I decided to maybe do another one, but this one was really flat already, so I did this one. And this is the one I call flower power or special flowers. Like, it's a bit like flowers, and it's really pretty. I worked on it on the 28th of November. That's a long while ago, until the time you see this, but because I also finished it on the same day. I finished it in one day, and it was around 3 hours and 50 minutes that I spent on it, while also watching TV. So maybe I could have done it quicker if I wasn't watching TV and just looking up sometimes, you know. I could have maybe even been quicker, but I think it's pretty quick, because it had 13 colors. I think it was fine, and I do really enjoy the end result, and it was really fun to work on, except for one problem I had with this kit was that number 8 symbol, or right, number 8, I don't even know what symbol it was, but I will show you in a close-up in just a moment. I had 2 drills missing, so I didn't have enough of them. I needed 2 more. I didn't get them, so I had to improvise with some other drills. But that was really a bummer. When I found out, I was like, oh snap, and I had to fix it, which wasn't easy at all. Okay, so that's the logistics of it. I actually cleared out the diamonds already, so this is going to be a real short post review. Because I already put them in baggies, because that's what I like to do with special kits. So look at that sparkle. That's so pretty. I love that. Now we're going to show you this corner. As you can see, it looks a bit weird with the blue ones here. It wasn't meant to be. Also, there's a hair on here. That's really annoying me, so that's gone. These blue ones don't belong there. That's the 2 drills that I put there that shouldn't be there. It should be these purple ones. But I had not enough purple ones. And I actually put on 2 purple ones here already. And then I was going to this... Oh, there we go. This round. And I had two missing from this round, and I was like, it will be more noticeable if I have 2 of the same drills missing here than in this part. So I got 2 of these purple ones off here on the outer edge and put them in here. So this one looks completed and this is on the edge. So I was like, okay, that's gonna be the best place to do something else. So I put 2 of the blues. They are also a different shape, a little bit bigger, but I think if you look at it down like this, you have to know to see it. I mean, it still looks gorgeous. Okay, I will take you guys on a little ride as I normally do. But this time I also will end up the video because I don't have anything else to show you. I don't even think I had trash in this kit. I did have some, but that were... I don't even think I kept them, the trash of this kit. So I don't have anything else to show you. It was just a fun kit to do in the middle of other kits. And as I said, I finished it in one day. And I really liked the result. It was just fun to work on. That's why I also bought a lot of these kind of kits. So I'll take you on a little tour, and then that will be the end of the video. So I want to thank you guys so much for watching already. Enjoy my little tour. Bye!